Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Tech Solutions. Today in this video we are going to cover a new topic. So we are going to see how to install Git on Windows 11. So let me type the Git at here, and whatever first link will appear, we need to click on this git-scm.com, and it will take you to the new page wherein you can see the latest version of Git, which is 2.47.0 by now, and here is the option for download for Windows. You can click on this option and it will take you to the new download page wherein you can see various options like 32-bit Git for Windows setup and 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Now if you are not aware of your system type, then you can type about in a search and click on this about your PC, and here it will show you the inside system description. This is the system type, and you will come to know like what bit type your system is. Now mine is 64-bit operating system, so I should go for 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Similar way you can find out yours and click on the respective option. Once I click on this option, it will ask for saving the option, the setup. Now here I have already installed it, so I will cancel this, but once you save this it will start downloading the Git. Now I have already downloaded Git at here, so here let me click on this so that it will launch the setup. You can click on yes button. Now here this is the public license. We can click on next button, and this is the location where this is the default location where Git will get installed. If you want to change, you can browse and refer or give some other folder name. Now I will keep as is and click on next button, and here are the options which are by default selected. We can click on next, 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 and next. You can see we can go with the default options as such. We have not changed anything as such. Fine. Next, 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 and we can click on install so that it will start installation. So we can wait for a few seconds to complete the installation. Now we can see it has finished the installation, and we can launch the Git. Yes, we can see it is showing the release note along with it has launched the Git. So that's it about today's video. So I hope you must have enjoyed this. So I will request you to please like and subscribe the same. Thank you so much for watching this.